Morning. Good morning. Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. Okay. Good morning. Okay, so we will continue with the polynomials. Last day we got only one period. So our polynomial need one more day. Okay, today and Friday also we will revise polynomial. Friday, I think second period we can start with the next chapter, linear equation in two variable. Okay, so now we will start with the case study questions of polynomial. After that, we will come back to usual questions. Okay, so we will do some case study questions. Then you write fast these questions. Question number 56, right. Question number 56. Write little bit fast. Okay.
In my guide that page number 55 and that all not there, not like that page numbers, like 55 and all. It is different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like.
Which guide you got?
I got Oswald.
This is not Oswald. Okay, up to this you wrote. Now you draw this figure. The nest is in the shape of a parabola. The shape of the nest formed is parabolic. So shape of the nest is parabola, and they have given a parabola. Draw that figure. Based on the information we need to answer. Draw a rough figure of parabola. No need of scale and pencil. Draw a rough figure. Okay. First question. Graph of a quadratic polynomial is dash in shape. What was the answer? Quadratic polynomials graph is
Parabolic.
parabolic. So answer is B. Very important point. Graph of a quadratic polynomial is parabola. What is graph of a linear polynomial? Graph of a linear straight line. There itself you write graph of a linear polynomial straight line and highlight it. Graph of a quadratic polynomial is parabola. Graph of a linear polynomial is straight line. Is straight line. Okay, now second question. The expression of the polynomial represented by the graph. Look at the graph. Some 2 points of the graph are given. What are the points on the graph? 2 points are given. Which are they? Which are the given 2 points of the graph?
80
80 and
and 80.
minus 80. 80 and minus 80. Now look at these 2 points and which equation is suitable to this? Out of these 4 equations, which equation can be suitable? 80 and minus 80. So which will be suitable?
Option B.
Which one? Option B, yes. X square minus 64. X square minus 64. How can we find this? Because x square equal to 64, x equal to plus or minus 8. So 80 and minus 80. So equation option B, x square minus 64 is the correct option. Understood how to find? Because the points are 80 and minus 80. So when we solve x square minus 64, we will get x equal to plus 8 and minus 8. Okay. Third question. Find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial represented by the graph when x equal to 8. When x equal to 8, what will happen to the graph? Graph's equation we found it is x square minus 64 equal to 0. When x equal to 8, what is the value? 0. So option C. Now, fourth option. Fourth question. Sum of zeros of the polynomial. What is the formula for sum of zeros?
Beta by 3 beta pi in alpha by 3.
Sum of zeros
Alpha and alpha by theta.
minus b by a. Sum of zeros equal to alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. What is b here? Nihal, what is b in this equation? X square minus 2x minus 4. What is b, Nihal? Nihal, what is b? Justin, what is b here? B is Justin.
Yes, ma'am.
B is, what is A and B? A is what? B is what? C is what? In this equation, x square minus 2x minus 4. A, B, C are, what are the
A is
values?
equal to x.
A equal to?
X.
Is it
X.
x? X
X
is a
square.
variable. X is a variable.
1, 1, 1.
1. B,
2.
is it 2?
Minus 2. Minus 2.
Negative 2. C?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. C is negative 4. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So minus b is negative 2. Minus 2 by a is 1. So what is sum of zeros? Which option is correct? Justin. Which option is correct? Sum
Option
of
B.
option B.
Option C. Option C.
Option C. Minus become positive. So 2 is the answer. So option C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Gautam, understood? Question number 5. The sum of zeros of the polynomial.
Ma'am, can you show that question?
Previous one. Children, I have sent one more PDF. Last day I sent one PDF, one set of questions. So you try those questions also, okay? Daily you have to sit at least 1 hour for maths. Otherwise you can't finish all these questions. Okay. In your timetable, you keep 1 hour for maths daily. At least if you are studying some other subjects, that day also you have to keep 1 hour. Okay.
1 hour.
Next one. The sum of zeros of the polynomial ax square plus 5x minus 3a is equal to their product. Sum of zeros is equal to their product. Then find the value of a. Sum of zeros of the polynomial. Sum of zeros of the polynomial. Sum of zeros is equal to their product. So what can we write? Sum of zeros equal to their product. So Roshan, with that, what can we write? What is sum of zeros, Roshan? Sum of zeros of a polynomial is? We can write. Unmute.
Minor.
Uh,
Alpha by 360.
what?
Alpha by 360.
No,
Alpha by
60, yeah.
beta. Alpha by beta.
Ma'am, can you hear?
No. Roshan, louder.
Now can you hear?
Yeah.
Sum of zeros of a polynomial. Sum of zeros means, Roshan?
Zeros means
Sum of zeros is shown. Sum of zeros.
Alpha by
Alpha plus
beta.
Alpha.
alpha plus beta is
Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. Sum of what is given? Sum of zeros is equal to their product. So alpha plus beta equal to what shown? Product. Product is given that sum is equal to product.
alpha
So
beta
sum is alpha plus beta, product is alpha beta. And alpha plus beta formula is what shown?
minus b by
Minus b by a. Product is formula
c by
c by a. And for this equation, ax square plus 5x minus 3a. ax square plus 5x minus 3a. ax square plus 5x minus 3a. Sum is minus b by a and it is equal to what shown? Minus b by a is b is what? Shown b is
5
5. 5 by a minus 5 minus b by a. So minus 5 by a is what is a here? A is shown.
a
A is a itself. Its coefficient of x square is a itself. Minus 5 by a equal to c is
negative 3
negative 3a. Negative 3a by a is a itself. Okay. So from these two quantities we can cancel. Both are equal quantity that we can cancel. Minus 5 equal to minus 3a. A equal to minus 5 by minus 3 is 5 by 3. So option is D. It is given that sum equal to product. So alpha plus beta equal to alpha beta. And alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha beta is c by a. Okay. Now next, you no need to write the next question. Just read. Read it. The below picture are few natural examples of parabolic shape which is represented by a quadratic polynomial. See, here you can see many examples for parabolic shapes. Some fountains. This bridge is, which bridge it is? The is it London Bridge?
I think it Ma'am.
No, it's
Amit.
not London Bridge. I think no, it's not. Okay. Anyway, here we can see some parabolic shapes. See, all these are parabola. Here also, downward also, we can see parabola. Many from some fountains we can in some parks we can see fountains. See, this also parabolic. Here, some of your houses, the front portion will be an arch, parabolic arch. Okay. So in structures, their curve represent an efficient method of load, and so can be found in bridges and in architecture, a variety of forms. See, this parabolic shape can bear huge weights. That's why this bridges and see here, roof of heavy buildings are used in the shape of parabola. Here in, I think this is a fort. Third figure is a fort. So a parabolic shape is given, a parabolic beam is given so that it can bear huge weight. Okay. So based on the above information, answer the following questions. Okay, children, all of you read this? All of you read this paragraph? Can we start? Now write the question. The standard form, in the standard form of a quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c, a, b, c are all are real numbers, all are rational numbers. A is non-zero real number, b and c are any real numbers. Which option is correct?
And C.
C is the correct option. A cannot be 0. Ax square, bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation and its graph is parabola where a cannot be 0. A never be 0. And b and c are real numbers. All are real numbers, but a, b, c are real numbers, but a not equal to 0. All other real numbers can be. So a is a non-zero real number. A cannot be 0 and b and c are any real numbers. Okay. 5x square plus 0x plus 8 is a quadratic equation. A or 8x square plus 1x plus 0. B and C can be 0, but A cannot be 0. So C is the correct option. Second,
I mean, in my guide that it is showing that if the series of quadratic polynomial are equal in this for roots of quadratic polynomial are equal, is correct. That sentence is different. T is equal to b square minus 4ac.
Then which option is correct? If the roots of the quadratic polynomial are equal, then D will be determinant is Nabil. Then determinant is Nabil. Nabil. Roshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Determinant is
Yes.
D. If polynomial has equal roots. Gautam. If polynomial has equal roots, then D will be b square minus 4ac will be this from fourth chapter, quadratic. But it is not actually this quadratic equation is not there in our this terms portion, but they have given some questions from, so that you know. What is the answer? Anyone? D will be what? When equal roots, nature of roots. We have studied in Sania. D.
It will be equal. It will be same as same.
Equal to 0. Actually, this is from fourth chapter, but still they have given that. So, but it is very simple. nature of roots we have studied for quadratic equation. If d is less than 0, no real root, d greater than 0, distinct real root, d equal to 0, equal roots. So d equal to 0. No, not clear that question. I will write. If alpha and 1 by alpha are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, 2x square minus x plus 8k. 8k, this is a polynomial. Here it is not given. 2x square minus x plus 8k. If alpha and 1 by alpha are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, then k is, find the value of k.
In that
Hmm.
alpha,
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 alpha and 1 by alpha. So what is the product?
C by A.
Product is C by A. Alpha, beta equal to C by A. Here alpha is alpha itself. Beta is 1 by alpha. Alpha is alpha. Beta, other one is 1 by alpha. So alpha beta means alpha into 1 by alpha. And that is C by A. C is what here? C is 8k. By A is 2. Yes, A is 2. So this alpha alpha get cancelled. 1 equal to 2, here we can cancel. 1 equal to 4k, k equal to 1 by 4. K equal to 1 by 4. In this question, alpha and beta. Alpha is alpha itself. Beta is 1 by alpha. So their product means alpha into 1 by alpha is 8k by 2. Clear? Alpha into 1 by alpha is 8k by 2. Alpha, alpha get cancelled. Here also we can cancel by 4. Then k equal to 1 by 4. Okay? Now, next question. The graph of x square plus 1 equal to 0. Now, it is a quadratic equation. X square plus 1. X square plus 1 is quadratic. So, how many roots will be there for a quadratic equation?
3, 3.
3. How many roots? Huh? Emre?
2 roots.
2 roots. Since degree is 2, it has 2 roots. Okay. Now, the graph of x square plus 1 equal to 0. So, if it has 2 roots, its graph touches x-axis how many times?
2 times.
2 times. If it has 2 roots, its graph touches x-axis 2 times. So, options: intersect x-axis at 2 distinct points, touches x-axis at a point, neither touches nor intersect x-axis, either touches or intersect x-axis. What will be the correct option? We have studied if it is a quadratic equation, it has 2 roots and it will touch the x-axis at 2 distinct points. Of this, Srihari, which will be the correct option, Srihari?
Ma'am, A.
A.
Intersect x.
Any other answer? Anyone? Any other? Anyone having any other option? Srihari said the option is 2 because we have studied it is for all quadratic equation we have 2 zeros, and if it has 2 zeros it touches x-axis at 2 distinct points. And Srihari said the answer is it intersects x-axis at 2 distinct points. Anyone? Any other? Elsa, Isha, Shania, Adulya? Any other answer you have?
Because I degree 2, you know that.
Any other answer? Anyone? Sean?
Chat box is disabled.
Sean? Any different opinion?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so I will show. I have a different opinion. See, x square plus 1. How we will find its roots, Srihari? To find its roots, what we will do? Srihari? Hmm? How we will find the roots of x square plus 1, Srihari?
Quadratic equation of
Quadratic equation, we can equate it into 0 equation. So x square plus 1 equal to 0. So what next? X square plus 1 equal to 0. Then x square equal to what then? We need to find roots means we have to solve for x. X square equal to, yes, Alna. X square equal to -1. So x equal to x equal plus or minus root of
negative.
-1. Did you study the root of a negative number, Srihari?
No, ma'am.
No, that you will study next year. 11th standard, you will study root of a negative number, but still you didn't study it. So this equation does not have any real root. Okay, so it never touches x-axis. X-axis, we have all real numbers. On x-axis, we have all real numbers, no imaginary numbers. Okay, so this equation neither touches nor intersect x-axis. Highlight this question. X square equal to -1. X equal to plus or minus -1. No real root. No real root. So neither touches nor intersect. Neither touches nor intersect x-axis. Fifth question. If the sum of, write the question, fifth one. If the sum of roots is -p, sum is -p, product is -1 by p, then the quadratic polynomial is, what is the formula for finding quadratic polynomial? Aaron, do you know formula for finding quadratic polynomial, Aaron? Revu, what is the formula for finding quadratic polynomial? Formula for quadratic polynomial. Revu. Children, how many of you studied last day's portion? Max, please raise your hands. We have only 3 formulae in polynomial. How many of you studied? Please raise the hands. None. None of you studied. We have only 3 formulae in this chapter. Sum of zeros, product of zeros, quadratic formula. How to form quadratic formula. Only this much. Attending class is also your favor to us, isn't it? Some are behaving in that way. We are attending your class is the favor that we are giving to you, isn't it? Someone's anyone knows what is the formula for finding quadratic polynomial? Writing if sum and product is given. Shania, say.
Square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta.
Yes. Alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. That is sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. So here sum is negative p, product is negative 1 by p. So x square minus sum is p minus p. Sum is minus p into x plus 1 alpha beta. Alpha beta means it is negative 1 by p. Negative 1 by p. Alpha plus beta is p. Given that alpha plus beta is minus p, product is minus 1 by p. So minus alpha plus beta. So minus p into x plus alpha beta is minus p. So x square plus px minus 1 by p. K into k also. We have to put a k. Shania, one k is there, constant k. That also there in the formula. K into x square minus k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So which option is correct here? C.
Option C.
C is the correct option. Okay. Now write 56. Question number 56. Simple question. You can write this. Very small question. Write it. Money. Here M-O-N-E-Y. Nirahu. Nirahu's father gave him some money to buy papaya from the market at the rate of. Rate is in the form of a polynomial is given. P of x equal to x square minus 23x plus 120. At alpha and beta, see papaya, we can see the parabolic shape, papaya. Alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial p of x.
Down question that based on.
Then, first question. First question. Find the value of alpha and beta where alpha less than beta. Polynomial is x square minus 23x plus 120. Solve it. You can use either splitting middle term or quadratic formula to get the values of x. If I ask you to find using quadratic formula, did you know what is the quadratic formula? Elsa? What was quadratic formula?
X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta.
Quadratic formula. Is that quadratic formula?
Ax square plus bx plus c.
I'm asking quadratic formula, Elsa. Atulya, do you know what is quadratic formula? Anyone? Quadratic formula?
Negative b plus or minus negative plus or minus root negative b square minus 4ac by 2a.
2a. Very good. X equal to x minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, either you can use this formula to get value of x, or you can split middle term.
When we split the middle term, it will be the same.
Okay, that is you have to get some negative 23 product 120. For that you find the factors of 120 to get those two numbers. Sum 23. 8 into 15. 120. 8 into 15. And negative 23. So negative 8 plus negative 15 is negative 23. So negative 8 and negative 15. Product is 120. Sum is negative 23. So it will be x square minus 8x minus 15x plus 120 x into x minus 8 minus 15 into x minus 8 equal to 0. So taking x minus 8 in common, x minus 15 equal to 0, x equal to 8 and 15. These are the values of x. And it is given that alpha less than beta. So of this 8 and 15, which one is alpha, which one is beta? Alpha is less than beta. So alpha is, what's the value of alpha?
8, ma'am.
Alpha is 8, beta is 15. So option C. If you use quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, you will get the same answer, 8 and 15. Okay. Whichever is comfortable, that you can use. If you are not getting this sum and product by factorization, you go to that formula, quadratic formula, you will get the same. So next question, find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Alpha and beta we got. So alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is 8 plus 15. Plus alpha beta is 8 into 15. Find this sum, how much it is?
Ma'am, option C.
143. Options. Okay. Can I change the page? All of you wrote? Question number 3. The value of P of 2. Find P of 2. P of x is x square minus 23x plus 120. P of x is x square minus 23x plus 120. Find P of 2. Substitute P, x equal to 2 and find P of 2. Find the correct option. That is 2 square minus 23 into 2 plus 120. Find. Yesterday I have given a table to complete. Did you complete that? Finding P of some values. Anjali, you did?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Two square minus 23 into 2 plus 120. What is the value?
70.
No, 70.
78. Okay. Fourth question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of x square plus 3x minus 10, then find alpha 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Polynomial is x square plus this type also I have given one table to complete. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta can be written as beta plus alpha, taking LCM, beta plus alpha by alpha beta. That is beta plus alpha, we can write alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Polynomial is x square plus 3x minus 10. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Minus 3 by 1. So it is minus 3. Alpha beta is c by a. C is negative 10 by 1. Negative 10. So it is 3 by 10. Option A. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta can be written as alpha plus beta by alpha beta. So it is 3 by 10. Fourth one. The sum of zeros of polynomial. Same question. Try this. Same type for last case study we did. Sum of zeros equal to product. Find k. All of you find. Same type we did for the last question. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros equal to their product. Find it.
Ma'am, for last question, we can write alpha plus beta by alpha beta is equal to negative b by c, cancelling both the.
Oh, okay, okay. That we also, yes. Arihant. Okay, children. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.